Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin now. Pick 2 complementary fabrics so Nugget has a soft outer coat and a stable inner lining. Cut a basic kitten pattern, head, body, tail, using quick, same-size templates. This makes assembly predictable. Once cut, pin matching edges and baste with long stitches to hold shape. Make sure seams align at ears and tail. This first step sets the geometry of Nugget, so take a breath and confirm symmetry before moving to permanent stitching. Turn to detailed construction. With pieces inside out, sew slowly along curves using small, even stitches so final seams are neat. Once you have a continuous seam, stop and insert 1/2 safety eyes where marked. Reinforce with extra stitches so they won't loosen. Now turn Nugget right side out, pushing points gently with a blunt tool. Stuff in stages, head first, then body, so proportions stay correct. If a lumpy area appears, redistribute fill and adjust tension before closing the gap. Complete Nugget by hand closing the remaining gap with a discreet whip stitch. Tuck the final knot into the seam so it's invisible. Once closed, trim stray threads and add finishing touches like a tiny collar or embroidered paws to personalize. If you encounter gaps, loose eyes, or uneven stuffing, don't panic. Carefully open a 1/2 section, adjust fill or reinforce stitches, then resew. This method preserves the shape and durability and makes Nugget.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.